Good morning, Bat World. Justin here from the Avant-Garde collection and 911R. I wanted to do a quick walk-around video inside our warehouse today on our 2021 Mercedes GLE63S. This is the top of the lineup in the mid-size Mercedes SUV. And is it something else? Over 600 horsepower in your family grocery getter. So rest assured you can bust down the highway with the best of them in this car. Just the right size, 5 passengers. This is a gorgeous example. It does have paint protection film on the hood and the front bumper, door edge guards, rear bumper. There's one flaw in the PPF right here. Got a little snag in it. It is not through to the paint. I wanted to make you aware of that. Both keys with this car and all the options. No history of damage. No smells or odors or unmentioned problems you're going to find with this one. It's just as nice as you hope it is. And it ends in just a few days. We have confidence this car will meet reserve and sell, so prepare yourself for that. Someone is going to be the owner in just a few short days. So please let us know if we can get more pictures for you or ask or answer any questions you may have that we did not address. We're happy to do that. That's what we're here for. So let us know. And thanks again, guys. Good luck.